This educational kids rug generates thousands of dollars every single month, and it's one of the simplest online business ideas you can start. I promise you, if you watch this video all the way to the end, you'll discover valuable strategies that you won't find anywhere else on YouTube. I'm going to show you creative, complete methods for building passive income that most people have never talked about. So make sure you stick around until the end because this is going to be worth it. Let's jump right in. If we head over to Etsy and search for educational kids room rug, you'll immediately see some amazing products. These are educational rugs designed for children, featuring things like the alphabet, animals, or numbers so kids can learn while they play. As you probably know, children learn simply by seeing things over and over again. When a child looks at a rug with letters on it every single day, those letters naturally become familiar, making learning much easier. Moms understand this, which is exactly why this is such a valuable product. And I'm sure you already know that educational products for kids generate incredible sales every single day. The best part is, you won't find anyone on YouTube explaining this business model the way I'm about to. I spend hours researching the best online business opportunities so I can bring you ideas that actually have real potential. That's why I want you to stay until the very end. I'm going to show you exactly how to sell these rugs without spending a single dollar up front, no matter where you live in the world. And trust me, this is just one of many incredible business ideas we're going to build together. To create a rug like this, the first thing we need is a great design. In today's video, we're going to use the fantastic website Kittl. And by the way, there's currently a big discount available for Kittl that you'll find through the link in the pinned comment and also in the video description. We'll also need a print-on-demand platform that offers this exact type of rug. And as always, we're going to use Printful, one of the most trusted print-on-demand companies available today. The idea is actually very simple. Printful already provides a blank rug without any artwork on it. We're going to create our custom educational design inside Kittl, then upload that finished design directly to Printful. Whenever someone purchases your rug, Printful automatically prints your design onto the rug, packages it, and ships it directly to your customer. You don't have to handle inventory, printing, or shipping, and you keep the profit. Now let's move straight into the practical walkthrough. I'll head over to Printful, then open the products section. You'll notice there are countless products available, from clothing and accessories all the way to home decor items. It's honestly incredible because you can sell almost anything you want. And remember, we already have a complete playlist on this channel explaining these products and showing you exactly how to sell them step by step. So be sure to check that out after this video. Next, I'll click on the search box and type rug. Then I'll open this product. As you can see, the rug looks fantastic, and it's available in several different sizes. One important thing to remember is that the larger the rug, the higher the selling price can be. If we scroll down a little, you'll find all the product details, including the material, printing process, specifications, and everything else you need to know before selling it. Now it's time to start creating our product. I'll click the Start Designing button. Right here, we'll choose the rug size we want to sell. I'm going to select the 36 by 60 inch size because it's a large, beautiful option that's perfect for kids' rooms. Once we finish our design, we'll upload it directly so Printful can automatically apply it to the rug. And with that ready to go, let's switch over to Kittl and start creating our educational rug design. Now let's create a brand new design in Kittl using dimensions of 36 by 60 inches. And don't forget to increase the resolution to 300 dpi to make sure your final print looks sharp and professional. This will become our main canvas, Artboard 1. Next, click the purple plus button on the right side of Artboard 1 to generate another artboard with the exact same dimensions. This is the one we'll use with AI to create our design. Now it's time to describe the rug we want to create. In my case, I'm going to make an alphabet-themed educational rug for kids. One thing I really love about Kittl is that it includes built-in tools that help improve your prompt if you're not sure how to write a good one yourself. That's incredibly helpful, especially if you're just getting started with AI image generation. You can also choose the visual style you prefer from the Style section, making it easy to create designs that match your vision perfectly. And this feature isn't just useful for rugs. It can help you create designs for coloring books, clothing, home decor, and many other print-on-demand products. Next, we'll choose the AI model. Kittl supports almost all of the latest AI image generation models available today. Of course, I'm going to select GPT Image 2 because it produces outstanding results. Then, for the image dimensions, I'll leave the setting on Match Input, so the generated image perfectly fits the rug size without any extra adjustments. Once everything is ready, click Generate. One of the great things about Kittl is that it allows you to generate multiple images at the same time. So instead of creating just one design, I'm going to generate 3 different images, each with a slightly different prompt, and then I'll simply choose my favorite. This gives you more creative options and increases your chances of getting the perfect design on the very first attempt. Just look at these results. They're absolutely amazing. I'm genuinely impressed with what the AI created. Imagine a child having this alphabet rug right in front of them every single day. They'll naturally learn the alphabet, recognize different animals, and even become familiar with new words just by seeing them over and over again. That's exactly what makes educational products like this so valuable to parents. Honestly, all 3 designs turned out beautiful on the very first generation, but after comparing them, I'm going to use the second image because it's my favorite. I'll simply drag it onto Artboard 1, making it our final design, and then I'll download the finished image. But we're not stopping with the design, my friend. Keep watching until the end of the video because I'm also going to show you how to create a professional mockup and an eye-catching product video that you can use to promote your rug on social media and make your listing stand out from the competition. I want you to get creative and build multiple products using this exact same concept. For example, we just created an educational rug featuring the alphabet. But then another idea came to mind. Why not create another educational rug that teaches children the numbers from 1 to 10? We'll follow the exact same process. I'll add a new AI image board, then write a prompt describing the number-themed rug I want to create. And just look at the result. I'm genuinely impressed by the quality and how beautiful it turned out. So I'll go ahead and download this design as well. Now let's head back over to Printful so we can upload our new designs. I'll click on Upload, then import the 2 images we just created in Kittl. From here, all you have to do is click the Apply button, and Printful will automatically place your design onto the rug exactly as it should. Let's also try the second design, and as you can see, it looks absolutely amazing too. Honestly, I really like both of these designs, and either one would make an excellent product to sell. Now, to finish adding this product to our online store, I'll click Save Template. You'll notice that Printful automatically generates the product title, description, pricing, and several other details for you. Of course, you can edit all of that however you like to match your own branding and product strategy. You have complete control over every detail before publishing your listing. If you click the 3 dots in the upper right corner, you'll find even more useful options. From there, you can edit the product, download some of the available mockups, place a sample order before selling the product so you can personally check its quality, share the product with your friends, and much more. These are all great tools that help you make sure your product is ready before customers start placing orders. Now let's take a look at the mockups section. You'll notice that this product doesn't really include many mockups yet, and that's because it's still a relatively new product. But here's the exciting part. This is actually your opportunity to stand out from the competition. If other sellers don't have great mockups, yours can immediately grab more attention. To create our own professional mockup, we'll jump back into Kittl one more time. This time, we'll add an AI image board and write a detailed prompt describing exactly the mockup we want to generate. Then, we'll choose our AI model and the appropriate image dimensions. Within just seconds, Kittl creates an incredibly professional-looking mockup. I'm honestly amazed by what I'm seeing. Kittl is extremely accurate when it comes to generating realistic, high-quality images, And the best part is that you can edit the image anytime you want. It's a very simple process. But just like I promised you at the beginning of this video, we're not stopping after creating the design. I'm also going to show you how to create a professional promotional video that you can use on social media to attract attention and generate more sales. To do that, I'll add an AI video board using the mockup image we just created. Then, I'll write a detailed prompt describing the exact video I want. After that, I'll choose the AI video model. One thing I really like about Kittl is that it already includes many of the latest AI video models, including Cdance 2. Next, I'll choose the video dimensions. Since I want to create a YouTube short, a TikTok, or an Instagram reel, I'll select the 9:16 aspect ratio. Then, I'll set the video length to 10 seconds. If you want your generated video to include audio, simply enable the audio option before generating. Now let's click Generate and see the final result together.
Parents, if you want learning to feel like play, check out this numbers rug. It's colorful, soft, and helps little ones learn numbers while they play every day. Perfect for any playroom or nursery. I highly recommend it.
This video is absolutely incredible. It looks like a real parent is carefully examining the rug before buying it. And if you pay close attention to the details of the rug itself, you'll notice that it actually looks like a real physical product. I honestly can't spot a single mistake anywhere in the video. I'm genuinely impressed with Kittl, my friend. The quality is simply outstanding. I don't want you to stop at just one product. If we go back to Etsy, you'll discover there are countless opportunities waiting for you. I want you to think creatively and come up with your own educational ideas for kids. Ask yourself, what can I help children learn? Then create your design around that idea and print it on a rug using the exact same process I showed you in this video. You'll find all the links you need down below in the description to help you get started. Now, let's head back over to Printful. Once everything is ready, simply click the Publish button. Printful will then ask you to connect your online store. The great thing is that you can connect almost any e-commerce platform you want, including Shopify, Etsy, Amazon, and many others. In our case, we're focused on Etsy, so I'll click on Connect Etsy. You'll just need to sign in to your Etsy account, and Printful will automatically connect everything for you. After your Etsy store is connected, you can easily edit your product title, description, images, pricing, and every other detail before publishing your listing. This gives you complete flexibility to optimize your product exactly the way you want and create a listing that stands out from the competition. And remember, my friend, you're not limited to selling rugs. You can sell almost anything you can imagine. For example, you can create and sell educational books for children, kids' toys, children's clothing, and many other products. Since we're focusing on the kids' education niche, you're entering a market with incredible demand and excellent profit potential. There are so many opportunities once you start thinking creatively. As I mentioned earlier, you'll also find a complete playlist on my channel that teaches you exactly how to sell all of these different products using Printful, step by step in a simple and easy to follow way. If you're serious about building a successful print-on-demand business, I highly recommend watching those videos as well. I truly hope you found this video helpful and learned something valuable today. If you enjoyed it, be sure to apply what you've learned and start creating your own unique products, because that's where the real opportunity begins. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care and goodbye.